And as for the software that we're going to use to set up this SOHO network, on the router firewall, I'm going to use pfSense version 2.4.5. And on the managed switch, I'm going to use the embedded web GUI because I'm using a Linux machine. And if you have Windows installed, it comes with its own system configuration utility that you can run. And it's an executable file that you run and then you connect to the switch. Wi-Fi access point is going to be the Unify Network mobile app, and the firmware on the Unify access point is I think version 4.0.8. That's the latest version. And the desktop client I'm going to be using to configure all those devices is the Linux Mint 19.3 Trisha with the Mate desktop. The software on the router firewall, as you know, I'm going to be using pfSense. The current version is 2.4.5. The license on there, it's published on the Apache 2.0. The base OS for pfSense is FreeBSD 11.3. It's a stable branch, and it is developed and maintained by a company called Netgate. They sell their own hardware as well. I think netgate.com is their website. Either way, in order for us to access and download the pfSense installation media, this is their website, pfsense.org. And if you want to look up and read up on the configuration and documentation, how to configure pfSense, this is a link. And as for the managed switch, we're going to use the TLSG108PE version 1. It also has a version 2, but for our purposes, I have version 1. And the firmware version on that is 16.05.26. I've upgraded that a couple of years ago, and this is the latest version. And the configuration we're going to use here is the web GUI run on it. You can use a system configuration utility that comes for Windows only, but since I'm on a Linux machine, I'm going to use the web GUI. And this is the product link on the website. And on the Wi-Fi access point, the Unify access point, the configuration utility is an Android app. It's called Unify Network, and this is website link for this product. And this is a screenshot of my desktop that I'm going to use. It's a Linux Mint 19.3 Trisha Mate desktop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to really support this channel. And also check out the affiliate links in the description below.